Hey y'all, it's your girl Angel Marie, and today I am showing you how I style my braids. Now this styling method can go for anything, locks, twists, whatever. So I'm parting my stuff down the middle because I like to wear my hair either way, so I want my styling, my accessories to be noticeable if I decide to do my part either way or in the middle. So first thing first, I like to have something that's gonna kind of be centered for if I decide to wear my hair in the middle. I can have an accessory right there, or if I flip it to the side, it'll give me a nice little front and center piece that's showing. So, yeah. A little tricky when you're doing it on yourself. Sorry if y'all hear my coffee in the back being made. Girl must have her coffee for today. And I'm also a little sick, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds hoarse. You know. Anyway, so yeah. So then at the end, I like to kind of like get them together, twist it around, knot it, twist it around, knot it, and then tie it and cut it, as you will see. So far as placements, I think that's the most important thing when you're styling your accessories, because you kind of want to know if you're going to wear your hair on the side. Okay, well, I need my accessories to pop in this manner, or if I'm going to wear it to the other side, or if I'm going to wear it to the middle. So you see I skipped a couple braids, put another accessory, well, another string right there. And that gives me, if I'm going to wear it on that side, then guess what? I have something over there, and it's not bare and nasty. It's a struggle trying to tie this thing. Yep, see, wrap it around, tie it and cut it. And then most importantly, with the strings, I don't go overboard. That's just me. But I will put 2 in the back just so I can have something popping from there too. And I decided to do 2 on both ends in the back. So you see, if I pull it to that side, I have a little pop. If I pull it to the other side, I would have the same little pop. So, and this is me just going to the back and, you know. Same thing. Wrap all the way to the end, tie it in a knot. And then wrap the opposite way, tie it in a knot, tie it together. So this part is kind of repetitive, but yeah, most importantly is the placements. You kind of want to be able to have some type of accessory showing wherever you decide to place them. You don't want them all in one area. You don't want too much. Too much, it's just too much. Sometimes less is more. So you probably gonna get a solid 4 out of me. And then moving on to the little clamps or whatever you want to call them. Again, I kind of spread it throughout, see how high I want it to start, and then I go down. And for me, the main thing I'm thinking about is how I'm going to wear my hair when I wear these. Am I going to wear it a certain way? If I'm not, then, you know. Pop a little beads in there. And this part is where you can really have fun. This is where you can choose what kind of little accessories you want. You want the little feathers. You want like some chandeliers. Whatever the heck your little heart pleases. You just go wild with it. I'm just doing a couple little beads. You'll see a cute little, what is it called? I don't know. You'll see it in the front. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Placement, not doing way too much, but still being creative at the same time. There it goes, my little heart. But yeah, so, you know, just have fun. Don't take it too serious, but don't overdo it. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. And until next time.